What a way to intro the auction stuff going next door.
Ready?
Firing up the old turbine arrow. Make sure she's still good. Golly, runs like a dream. Oh my gosh, I forgot how loud it was. There she goes through the auction block. Oh, smokes them out. No way, dude. It was fun while it lasted. Oh man, what a great car. What a great dailyable vehicle.
For somebody else.
For somebody else, yep. Time to clean up around here.
All right, guys, if you heard a few weeks ago, we announced that we're doing a big garage sale. It's actually an auction now. And it was gonna be kind of a mix of garage sale and auction, but it's an auction now. We got an auctioneer and everything. So we have project cars, all kinds of goodies that we've collected over the last decade
Stuff
of
everywhere.
doing this, right? It's just 10 years worth of junk and cool stuff. And to be honest, I think all the guys can agree we needed to clear some stuff out because it's like there's almost this mental cloud of so many projects and so many things to fix. We want to start new projects. And in order to do that, we had to clear some stuff out of the way. So we're going to walk through the whole list right now and guess at what they will sell for.
Yeah.
Okay, it's that simple. So up first, we have this LS swapped Cougar.
Turbo.
Yeah, turbo.
4L80.
May have a blown engine.
We don't know.
It would not fire up earlier.
Sam said he drove it to that parking spot though.
Yeah, he did drive it off the burnout pad.
I don't know how far he drove it with it like this.
Radiator's cracked.
Oh,
Well, he did that burnout and then it blew the radiator off.
Yeah,
So he drove it from the Freedom Factory back over there. I think it's good.
I do too.
I'm going
It's got a 4L80.
$1,200.
It's got a Holly on it.
I'm going cheap. Dude, it doesn't run.
$1,500.
It's got a lot of
Because at the end of
expensive
the day,
stuff in it.
if the motor's blown and it's hard to get hit with a barn, that's what it's worth in parts.
Come on, guys.
4L80 and a
Almost
Terminator.
50 other cars. to
Yeah,
do.
okay.
Now this,
This thing.
Brittany Atwood's car.
running big block.
So we don't get that money.
Yeah.
But running big block actually sounds good. I'm going 4,800.
I was gonna say 5.
I was gonna say 3,500.
Same,
bucks.
same.
Now the Bald Regal does not have a title. It's just a burnout car.
Does have an
The engine's
LSA
a
blower
maybe.
on it though.
The engine is a maybe.
Good parts might all be junk.
Might all be
Yeah.
good. I'm going 2,500.
Yeah, that's probably.
I see it. I see someone looking at that blower and
Get
saying,
that.
"I'll pay $3,000 for
Yeah, exactly.
Oh.
That's kind of what I was
Nice.
thinking.
I was gonna say 1,500, but I'm not a Chevy guy, so I didn't know the blower is worth that.
Yeah, definitely.
So our jet ski and trailer, we've made one lot.
Oh, it's
Okay?
just one item now.
One item.
Now.
Yeah, smart.
I'm thinking 700
1,000?
bucks.
Okay.
I'll pay them $300 to take it."
Gardens Miata, we obviously won't take the proceeds from that.
200
That's
probably.
a $750 deal.
Ran one part.
Did run.
It
It
did
does.
run.
We
Yeah, it
fired it
does.
up earlier.
It does.
Ran one
Fired
part.
right up.
Did it really?
Cletus's Whipple.
Whipple Supercharged
Raptor.
Raptor R 2023.
How many miles?
We got our boy out here washing it. 27,000, I think.
Okay.
Under 30.
Runs
Wow.
phenomenal.
Yeah.
Runs really good. I'm guessing.
800 horses, something like that.
I'm guessing.
We'll go on 3.
It's okay to hope.
One,
Keep hoping.
2, 3, 90.
50.
Shut the hell up.
I was gonna say 73.5. 73.5.
It's gotta go, bro. You could sell it all day for 90. So if anyone gets
You
it
gotta
for less
think,
than
though, is the
that,
money gonna be
The
there. at this
reserve is
auction?
70. That's what I'm saying. Is like, is anyone actually coming for that? We don't know.
We don't know.
So thank you, Cole. We got Cole from Precise Detailing.
doing it.
The Snatcher's up here. Now you guys might be thinking, are Cleveland's World closing down business?
15
No,
grand.
we're upgrading.
I'm
Yeah.
saying it
We're
now.
upgrading. Okay, the Snatcher has been good to us, but it's for sale. I'm going
Bulletproofed, tuned, deleted.
bulletproof. You gotta say that. You're selling a 7.3 bulletproof. I would go $6,500.
Oh,
It
all
comes with
day.
the open invoice at
All
$8,000. You can
day,
go
yeah.
collect your money tomorrow.
You can buy any 7.3 for
And she's not even
6,500.
cleaned up yet. Neither is this. The GS1000.
Literally runs absolutely
And
perfect.
I know you guys would be like, oh, you got to keep that. It's been sitting for
Yeah, since
18
it
months.
happened.
Since
Yeah.
whenever we shot the video. So that's what we're trying to
Sentimental,
do. Is
yes.
Move stuff. Yeah, we love it. We really do. Like, we wrote it earlier and it was awesome. But we're like trying to get over the sentimental value of things a little bit because we have so much crap. So she's gone. I'm guessing 2,500.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
15.
I mean, the sidecar's
1,500.
worth so much.
We paid $6,000 for the sidecar. So, oh, the freaking CBR
Golf
dude.
cart.
This one's gonna. I'm feeling there's gonna be two people that are gonna come and they're both gonna want this bag.
Yeah, that could go for like maybe 3,500,
$4,000.
$4,000. I could see that happening.
I can see it.
That's very hard.
It
to
is
put
a very
price on.
cool thing, you know.
It's a priceless
nobody
unit.
else
That is
really
a
has. Yeah.
priceless unit.
So Toast has some nice BMR suspension parts on it, right? Is that what they are?
Yeah.
BMR?
Yeah, I wanna
You could
say
use
that's
some
Some weld
the build
wheels.
Specialties aren't bad.
Oh, are they built specialties?
Yeah, one. This one's
That one's scratched.
indented.
It does have TBM brakes, but they're rusted. Pretty bad.
Got a 9
Just
inch.
the rotor, though. Yeah, it's got a
9
9
torque
inch.
arm in it. Yeah, it's got a 9 inch torque arm.
A couple
Um,
Kirkies.
A few parts in there.
I
This
mean,
thing is hot rod history.
this
too.
is probably going to go for $1,000. It's been to Australia.
Yeah.
$1,000.
It's done.
This is
burnout.
Like, hanging upside down from the ceiling in man cave, kind of.
Donnie doesn't
I
look
know.
good either yet because it hasn't been washed. But Donnie, you know, this has a 427 in it.
Solid roller.
It's
motor.
got a built stick shift
Dog box.
transmission from RPM Transmissions, dog box training. Yeah, Holly. It's got a solid
It's
30 grand in parts. In
Yeah,
it.
exactly.
So, shit, I mean, it should go for 25. No?
Easily.
All right.
There
it
you
would
go.
cost you 40 to build that car.
Yeah,
If you bought one stock. Yeah.
But
And
I
it's
wanna build
Donnie,
a new
you know?
drift
I know.
car. I mean, I want a C7 drift car. So-
Wait, what? You just bought a Cadillac drift car.
Well, I know.
That's
I
a
know.
Ford.
That's for that's for taking people for rides.
Yeah, okay.
But if I
So-
want like a real cool one,
Yeah,
Prime example of how we ended up with 400 cars in a parking lot for
yeah.
sale.
Just like
We've
this.
already got 3 we're building up for the one.
yeah. See, but this is the thing is, you know, I know there's a lot of sentimental attachment for you guys, but in order for us to start having new stuff, we have to let go of some of these things. And I mean, this is 50 cars. It didn't even put a dent in
Didn't
what the
even.
shop parking lot looks like.
No.
There's still, the shop is completely full of race cars, and then there's still 15 more in the parking lot.
Yeah.
But we're
That's
still getting rid of a ton of them.
Yeah, we did all this work and we were talking like, this is literally nothing.
This is a ton of cars, 50
So
cars,
much,
we didn't
but
put a
it-
dent in it. So the turbine Camaro, which is obviously so cool.
So cool. Sounds
Another
great.
priceless
Obviously
I-
drove over
yeah,
here.
This I'm putting a reserve on. I don't know what it is yet, but I'm not going to let this get stolen because I do love that thing.
Yeah.
But if I can get rid of it for a good price and someone's going to do cool stuff with it, I'll let it go. So I would say that should go for 15 to 17,000.
Yeah.
And I would let it go for that.
Now to the
Alright.
trailers.
So we got a boat trailer,
Wait, let's get a look at it.
magic tilt.
Super nice trailer.
Super
nice
nice.
brakes. Was bought brand new.
Yeah.
Recarpet your bunks.
Oh,
be in the
wasn't it?
watermark.
Wasn't brand new.
It wasn't brand
Was
new.
it?
Lightly used.
It's barely used now. I think
Now-
you used it once.
We do have this event trailer.
George will sign his
Spectacular
pinstripe.
trailer.
George did this to the side of it.
I hit a mailbox
He-
one day.
Oh, hold on.
Not any mailbox.
He hit my mailbox on his first day he ever worked for me. I got, can you tow a trailer? Yeah.
I mean, I can do it. I just didn't see the mailbox.
You didn't ask him if he could do it without hitting it.
We've been using this trailer to go to events with all of our golf carts and equipment for the burnout shows and all that for the last 4 or 5 years. It's beat up. I mean, this trailer's had a hard
This is
life.
like Leroy's OG trailer, though. I mean,
No, it's not the OG. It was our
is-
second one.
Kyle has it right.
But
And then we sold it once.
we did. We sold it and then we got it back.
And then
So
you bought it back.
it's kind of an OG, kind of not. But I mean, I'm guessing for this, 2,500, something like that.
You'll get 25.
I'd take it. I'd get it for that.
You better bid on it once to
I mean,
pay for your
Yeah.
freaking
Good hydraulic, you
it
know,
works.
jack and stuff. It's the best hydraulic jack ever, by the way.
Yeah, it is.
So that's a
Great
solid
trailer.
deal. But it's so beat up. I don't know if someone, dude. I don't know if I'm.
It's really not that bad. The guy,
Yeah,
dude,
keep
it's Josh,
walking,
dude.
bud.
He's just.
Keep walking.
Yeah. That's Adam's.
Blown up.
His wife's GMC. He's
It's
selling
blown
that.
up.
Yeah.
All right.
900.
All right. So our Honda, I'm saying 500 for that.
That one's always got ARP head studs in it.
Ty's
700
Honda,
for that.
500. Ty's old daily. I'm going 1,000, maybe. Well, the front end's tore off.
200.
I'm going maybe 200 bucks on that.
Yeah.
Maybe 200 bucks. Summit, man.
I'm not letting that one. I'm buying that.
This is
200.
the old OG Summit delivery van. It's got a blown up LS
So,
motor in it, but it's got
It has currently, it has long tubes cam, and it's a E-rod crate motor LS3. So it did chuck a rod, but good parts.
Yeah,
It is good. 14 bolt 4L80.
yeah. My
You know,
wife's
great parts.
Tahoe with the Whipple supercharger. I mean, that should bring 30,000.
Whipple, cam, headers, everything.
Cleaned up.
60,000 miles, I think. Is that what it was?
Yeah, 64, 67. I don't know.
Yep.
Under
We got
70.
this old ambulance from Bradenton Motorsports Park. This is Justin Keith's Camaro. Oh, the ambulance, I mean, 500 to 1,000. I have no idea.
Party truck for somebody.
Justin's Camaro, 500 bucks.
Think
I
it
don't
blew the
know.
motor, but it has a good power glide in it.
So this is our OG merch box truck. I think I bought it for $6,000, right?
Oh my god!
What is that?
That's a
Motherfucker
cook
frog.
frog.
Okay, there's a dead
Poor
frog
guy,
there.
dude.
George hit a seagull in it.
Yeah, that's from
More
a
like
seagull.
pelican.
It might have been a pelican.
And we have a bunch of car parts in the back
Dude, you
from
gotta
our...
Dude,
You wanna
yeah.
peek
We
it?
looked. There's like,
Give them a glimpse of what they could end
Yeah,
up.
give them a, like, as fast as we can, we'll raise the door and then we'll shut it.
and we wait, no.
Shut it, shut it. That's all they can see.
I didn't even see any of the good stuff just now.
There's a turbo in there. I see on
Dang, I was trying to get it in
So
there.
that thing, I'm thinking just because of the shipping container, or the storage container style
back,
sale,
Yeah.
it's going to be upwards of 2,500 to
Oh, at
4,000.
least.
Yeah.
We paid
I'll
like
say
$6,000 for that truck.
Yeah, but we put a ton of miles on it. I mean, it still runs.
Runs
fast,
perfect,
man.
yeah.
I'm just being optimistic.
Mustang?
That thing for a year.
This is
I drove it a lot.
Someone stole all those spark plug wires.
Oh,
off it.
what the heck?
All right, Parker's Mustang. I'm guessing this thing's going to be
Nitrous.
about 800 to 1,000.
What's a Fox body chassis go for these days, you know? The Miata.
500 bucks.
Oh, it has the turbo and the...
Yeah. So
Turbo
Garza's
Miata.
old K-Series Miata. This car has been totaled 3 different times.
Yeah.
Suckers, man.
No way this thing goes for more than $500.
I mean, I think someone will buy for that swap for.
Yeah, I mean, that's a K24 or
Remember
something.
this?
Dude, this thing.
Yes, dude, this thing is...
All right. This I'm gonna say someone's gonna pay $1,500 for it.
Full custom air ride on there.
God, I mean,
It's still
honestly,
there.
we should just keep the Crown Vic for $1,500.
It's a good point. It's a perfectly good Crown Vic.
Yeah, I think JH is actually coming to try and buy it. I know he'll probably pay. He'd probably pay $2,000 for it.
Oh, we could bid him up then.
I'll bet it. Don't worry.
Can't stand that guy.
Sam's Honda said 500. Sam's Honda fared pretty well in the challenge.
Yeah, minus
Oh, never
the
mind.
worst
He was
possible
the
thing that
semi.
could happen.
The Mini TRX.
Woo! Heavily invested
No
in this
reserve. No reserve.
bad boy. No reserve.
Yeah, I'm
What do you think
saying.
it's gonna bring? Don't walk away from it. What do you think it's gonna bring?
That's a big one.
I think it's gonna ring 60 or 70.
You have the most money in this thing, probably.
This is the most expensive thing here.
Yeah, for sure.
If you count all the rebuilds on the next thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Well.
Oh.
This was not my idea. The boys parked the blue F-150 out here. The twin turbo blue F-150. This is a 1,500 wheel horsepower truck.
Yeah. It is one of a kind.
1,500 horsepower.
And it's rowdy.
To the wheels on the dyno.
It's 1,500 at the tire.
It is a real.
And like I said, they parked it out here. I was not in charge of that. I think it was you, James.
Yesterday you said, "What about the blue truck?" I said, "Oh."
So,
Today we
James
moved
brought
it
the
over.
blue truck over, and
It's here.
we're
For
gonna see
sale.
what happens. There is a reserve on that.
Hey,
Okay.
All it takes is 2 people wanting it for the price to go up.
Yep.
I'm not
That's
selling
true.
it for less than 50.
It's got a lot of time and money invested in it. It has to sell
I'm
for
not
something
selling it
good.
for less than 50. So
I
I mean,
can see it
50 is
selling for
actually.
50.
If it was 51, that's a great deal for the buyer.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Great deal for
All
the
it takes
buyer.
is 2 wanting it.
A red dually.
I can't
I just put,
believe
like,
you're selling
9,000
this truck.
on this thing. Well, dude, we have the new truck, so this one's just been sitting.
Yeah, but the new one's a Ford.
This
Yeah,
thing is
but
sweet.
this
It's
thing
got a
doesn't.
set of discontinued wall wheels on it.
Yeah, it does.
This
One
should go
ton
for
diesel
20.
truck. 4-wheel drive or is it 2-wheel drive?
It's two-wheel.
Okay.
This should go
Yeah,
for
that's what I was thinking too.
$20,000.
Hopefully it goes to me for the less.
All right.
Great truck.
If I was next to
Well,
you, just get his closet
Monte
back up.
Carlo.
Monte Carlo, dude. SS
SS with a camshaft and a
Yep.
built tranny.
and converted it.
I'm thinking I can see that going for $3,000.
Last auction it went for 8.
4,500. I think is all we got in the end.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Rodney.
Rodney
Yeah.
has a 9-inch rear end.
Yeah,
Leroy's
this is
precision
3,500
turbos.
3,500.
These
Dude,
are
this has
actually
got-
Leroy's
This has
turbos.
got Leroy's turbos,
Random
old sound
parts.
pipes,
Random parts.
the C7's front mount.
The 240, James. What's the 240 market like?
Right now it's kind of weird. No one's really buying.
Oh, great.
But
This ain't the same.
the good thing about
is
it
rocket.
is you got a cage in here.
Yeah.
It is a drift car chassis. It's got a 256. Motor's compromised, but good parts. I can see you getting like $3,500 for it.
Okay, I like that. This Corvette. I'm hoping. Wow, what happened to the fender?
Hurricane, bud.
Shit.
Oh yeah.
Wait, this thing was here for the hurt?
Yeah,
Yeah.
parking in a parking lot.
All right, I'm hoping.
Wall flew off.
I'm hoping 5,500.
Easy.
Oh, easy.
Running,
Okay,
driving.
I'm just
Kidding me?
scratched up. Corn cob, maybe 500.
Yeah.
Dolly, maybe 500. This Camaro, maybe 500. This Corvette, maybe 500. Now the jet boat, I could see 8 to 10,000.
Does it run?
That's actually debatable.
Yeah, you don't know.
When was the last time y'all had it?
It has a starter issue. So Chad said it ran perfect when he got to the sandbar, and then it had to cool fully down for the starter to start working again, and then it started back up and it got back. So
Okay.
Victor's Honda, cheap,
VTEC.
200, and this trailer 1,500 is what I'm guessing.
Really?
Maybe
See
1,000,
someone paying $1,500 for this.
1,000
Not
maybe.
cheap new, you know. And this thing's like new.
Okay, all right. Those are our guesses. You guys guess below, and soon we'll be putting out a full video of the great auction here at the
Oh,
Freedom
wait.
Factory.
His dually.
Oh,
Oh,
I got some
wait.
high rods coming.
There's stuff in the hangar.
Oh yeah.
geez.
All
There's
right.
a lot of stuff.
In the hangar.
In the hangar, guys, we have my P51 we're selling, and then this, my big Hempel Cub we're selling, and honestly, we've had this for sale for maybe a month now, and it hasn't sold. But Alan needs more space in his RC hangar, so he had to get rid of some of the bigger items.
So here they are.
So here they are, and then the duals in the corner. Oh, prices? I'm saying $1,200 for that. I think this could bring, I listed it for 12, then 10, and then it's gonna drop to 8,000. I said, let's put it in the auction. So based on that, I'm saying 6,500, 7,000. I was definitely way over on my original pricing. And then the dual stuff in the corner, we're gonna get that out. If we can get 25 grand for all that stuff, that would be amazing. Yeah. Other than that, I think that kind of covers everything. All right, guys, we'll show you the video of the sale very soon.